What if light, the very thing we rely on to understand the universe, has been hiding one of reality's deepest secrets all along? For decades, scientists have created entangled photons in laboratories, measured their behavior with increasingly sophisticated instruments, and used them to test some of the most fundamental ideas in quantum physics. Yet hidden within this familiar form of quantum light lies a structure so vast and unexpected that it challenges our understanding of what light can be. Researchers recently uncovered a mathematical landscape spanning 48 dimensions and containing more than 17,000 unique topological signatures. This discovery did not emerge from a distant galaxy, a black hole, or the edge of the observable universe. It was found within the same kind of entangled light that scientists have been studying for years. That is what makes this finding so remarkable. The technology needed to reveal it already existed. The photons were already there. What was missing was the realization that something far more complex was hidden beneath the surface. If confirmed and fully understood, this hidden architecture could transform the way we think about light, quantum information, and perhaps even the deeper structure of reality itself. To understand why, we first need to look at entangled light. Light may seem ordinary. It illuminates our homes, reflects from mirrors, and carries the warmth of the sun across millions of kilometers of space. But at the quantum level, light behaves in ways that often defy common sense. Entangled photons are pairs of particles connected through a strange quantum relationship. Even when separated by great distances, measurements performed on one photon remain linked to the other in ways that continue to puzzle physicists. It is as if two separate particles are actually expressions of a single, deeper system. Scientists routinely create these photon pairs by passing laser light through specially designed crystals. The resulting entangled photons have become essential tools in quantum communication, quantum computing research, and tests of the foundations of physics. But hidden within these photons is a property known as orbital angular momentum. Unlike ordinary light, which travels in relatively simple waves, light carrying orbital angular momentum twists as it moves, forming corkscrew-like patterns through space. For years, researchers viewed these twists as useful features for carrying information. What they did not realize was that these patterns concealed an enormous topological structure waiting to be discovered. When scientists examined this twisted quantum light in greater detail, they uncovered a hidden mathematical world of extraordinary complexity. Instead of finding a handful of simple patterns, they identified more than 17,000 distinct topological signatures woven into a 48-dimensional quantum framework. It was as if researchers had spent years reading a single sentence, only to discover that the sentence was part of an entire invisible library written in a language no one knew existed. The significance of these signatures lies in the field of topology, the branch of mathematics concerned with properties that remain unchanged even when shapes are stretched, bent, or distorted. Unlike fragile quantum states that can be disrupted by noise and interference, topological features possess a degree of resilience because their information is encoded within geometry itself. This is important because one of the greatest challenges in quantum technology is stability. Quantum systems are notoriously delicate. Tiny disturbances from the surrounding environment can destroy valuable information, making reliable quantum computation and communication extremely difficult. But if information can be encoded within topological structures inside light, it may become possible to build quantum systems that are far more resistant to errors. In other words, light may possess a hidden alphabet for storing quantum information, an alphabet that was not invented by engineers, but discovered within the natural geometry of entangled photons. And that possibility could change everything. When people hear the phrase, 48 dimensions, it immediately sounds like science fiction. Our everyday experience is built around 3 dimensions of space, height, width, and depth. Everything we see, touch, and interact with appears to exist within this familiar framework. So the idea of a 48-dimensional structure hidden inside light can sound impossible at first. But in quantum physics, dimensions do not necessarily represent physical directions that someone could travel through. Instead, they often describe the mathematical space required to represent all possible states of a system and the relationships between them. The more complex the system, the more dimensions may be needed to fully capture its behavior. This means researchers have not discovered a literal doorway into a 48-dimensional universe. What they have found is something equally fascinating. A level of complexity within entangled light so rich that it requires a 48-dimensional mathematical description. That alone is extraordinary. It suggests that even the most familiar parts of reality may contain layers of organization far beyond what our senses can perceive. Light, something we encounter every day, may be carrying structures that remain completely invisible unless viewed through the language of advanced mathematics. Imagine looking at what appears to be a simple painting hanging on a wall. From a distance, it seems flat and uncomplicated. But hidden behind the canvas is an intricate sculpture containing thousands of interconnected shapes and patterns. The painting never changed. The only difference is that someone finally discovered how to look beyond the surface. For centuries, light has been one of humanity's greatest tools for understanding the cosmos. By studying light from distant stars, scientists learned what those stars are made of. By analyzing the light from galaxies, they measured cosmic expansion and traced the history of the universe. Nearly everything we know about the distant cosmos has come from decoding information carried by light. Now the situation has become strangely reversed. Instead of using light to study the universe, scientists are beginning to study light itself as a universe of hidden information. And the potential applications are difficult to ignore. If researchers can learn to identify, control, and manipulate these topological signatures, they may gain access to entirely new methods of storing and transmitting quantum information. Future quantum networks could become more reliable. Quantum computers could process information with greater stability. Communication systems might one day use the geometric structure of light itself to protect information from noise and interference. The comparison with classical computing is hard to miss. Modern computers transformed civilization by learning how to control the flow of electrons through silicon circuits. In a similar way, future quantum technologies may depend on learning how to control the hidden geometry encoded within photons. What makes this discovery particularly powerful is that it did not require a futuristic machine operating beyond today's technological capabilities. The hidden structure was already present. It existed inside systems that researchers had been working with for years. The photons were familiar. The experiments were familiar. Yet an entirely new layer of reality remained concealed until someone asked a different question. History shows that many of the most important scientific breakthroughs begin exactly this way. The world does not suddenly change. Our understanding of it does. A telescope reveals moons around Jupiter. A microscope reveals living cells. An equation reveals the curvature of spacetime. And now, advanced quantum analysis may be revealing hidden architectures within light itself. The deeper scientists look, the more reality begins to resemble something far richer than a collection of particles moving through empty space. Patterns emerge. Relationships emerge. Structures emerge. Again and again, nature seems to reveal levels of organization that were invisible before. And perhaps that is the most intriguing aspect of this discovery. The finding is not merely about photons, dimensions, or topology. It is about the possibility that reality contains layers of information hidden beneath appearances, layers that remain unseen until the right tools, the right mathematics, and the right questions bring them into view. If that is true, then the 17,000 topological signatures identified so far may represent only the beginning of a much larger map. A first glimpse into a landscape that humanity has only just started to explore.